Number 1. 1996 Ford F-150, price $7,500, well-maintained pickup with a 5-speed manual transmission and a rebuilt gasoline engine. Although it has 266,000 miles, the engine has less than 12,000 miles on it. It features a white exterior, gray interior, and a strong maintenance history with records dating back to 2014. Recent upgrades include a new clutch, under 3,000 miles, a completely replaced fuel injection system, new front and rear suspension, and a new starter and solenoid. It also has new chrome front and rear bumpers, re-upholstered seats, and an X-Line spray-in bedliner. The truck rides on nearly new BF Goodrich all-terrain tires with less than 3,000 miles. Regular oil changes and tire rotations have been performed, including a fresh service just completed. It also comes with a brand new inspection sticker. Overall, it's a clean, reliable truck that's ready to drive. Number 2. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. This pickup is a solid, reliable classic truck that's still going strong. Powered by a Chevy 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives great, making it a dependable option for daily use or light hauling. The exterior is finished in blue, matching the blue interior, giving it a clean, classic look despite the fact that the paint could use some attention. Inside, the cabin offers hot heat and cold air conditioning, ensuring comfort in both summer and winter. However, the gauge cluster is currently malfunctioning and will need to be repaired. While the truck isn't perfect and could use a bit of love, it remains a strong running vehicle that reflects the durable build quality of early 90s Chevy pickups. Number 3. 1999 Ford F-150, price $7,200, well-maintained 4x4 V8 truck with 175,000 miles on the odometer. Featuring an automatic transmission, it comes in a sleek black exterior paired with a clean tan interior. Powered by gasoline, this truck has been elderly-owned and has never been abused. The current owner has kept all service records since purchase, making it a truly reliable and transparent example of a classic pickup. The truck is equipped with power everything and cold air conditioning, ensuring comfort and convenience. It has a clean title, has never been in an accident, and shows no signs of rust anywhere, a rare find for a vehicle of this age. While the vehicle is in great mechanical and cosmetic condition overall, it does have a couple of minor flaws. The sunroof glass needs to be replaced, and there is some paint fading on the roof. Number 4. 1996 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,000. This truck is a solid and dependable 2WD truck powered by the robust 454 Vortec V8 engine and runs on gasoline. It has an automatic transmission and has traveled approximately 135,000 miles. Finished in classic white with a clean tan interior, this heavy-duty truck offers both utility and comfort. The current owner describes it as an amazing truck, but due to a lack of time and no longer needing it, they've decided to let it go. It has recently received a number of brand new upgrades, including a full set of tires, upgraded speakers, a completely rebuilt front suspension and steering components, a new brake booster, an aftermarket radio, as well as new headlights and taillights. Included but not yet installed are a brand new radiator, water pump, and a seat compressor. The compressor just needs to be charged after installation. Number 5. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. It has 105,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a 350 engine. The exterior is finished in red, while the interior features a gray color scheme. The truck is currently running and driving, though it needs a front driveshaft to be fully operational. One standout feature is the inclusion of a GM 14-bolt rear end, known for its durability. The interior is partially stripped, with some of the carpet removed, ideal for someone planning a custom restoration or easy cleanup. Both the AC and heat are fully functional, and the wipers work as they should. It also comes with a brand new battery. What makes this deal even more appealing is that it includes a bonus, a 5.3 LLS engine complete with transmission and transfer case from a 2006 Silverado, with only 72,000 miles on it. The LS engine needs the head reinstalled, but once complete, it's a valuable upgrade for increased power and performance. Number 6. 1990 GMC 1500, price $4,000. This truck is a reliable and clean daily driver that runs well. It has 177,000 miles on the odometer and features a red exterior with a matching red interior. Powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, it offers a smooth driving experience. The truck received a transmission replacement just last year, ensuring dependable performance for the road ahead. It's currently riding on nearly new 35-inch tires that add both style and capability. While the body does show some rust in a few spots, overall, the truck is in good running condition and remains a solid example of a classic full-size pickup.
Number 7.
1986 Ford F-150, price $8,000, well-preserved classic pickup with approximately 121,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, it captures the timeless charm of 1980s American trucks. Powered by a gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission, this F-150 delivers reliable performance and an exceptionally smooth ride, especially for a vehicle of its age. The truck is equipped with convenient features such as power windows and power door locks, both of which are fully functional.
Mechanically, it runs fantastic and drives with confidence. Everything works as it should except for the air conditioning, which is currently non-operational and would benefit from servicing. Number 8.
1994 GMC 1500, price $8,000. It has approximately 150,000 miles on the odometer and features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission.
Powered by a dependable V8 engine, the truck runs well and delivers a strong, reliable performance.
It comes equipped with a 4-6 spindle drop, giving it a clean, lowered stance that complements its sleek silver exterior. The truck rides on stylish aluminum wheels and is fitted with Flowmaster exhausts, adding a deep, aggressive tone to its sound. Inside, the gray interior is in nice condition, showing that the vehicle has been well cared for over the years. This GMC runs good overall and is a great choice for anyone seeking a clean, classic truck with tasteful custom touches.
Number 9.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, featuring a 4x4 drivetrain and a V8 engine. It offers both power and versatility, making it suitable for daily driving or weekend hauling. The truck comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, delivering a smooth and dependable driving experience. With 163,000 original miles, it has been used responsibly and still performs exceptionally well. The exterior is finished in red, matching the red interior for a cohesive and eye-catching look. Despite the age, the body remains in excellent condition with no dents or scratches, a rare find for a truck of this vintage. The paint has faded over time, which is typical for vehicles of this era, but it adds a touch of honest patina that many classic truck enthusiasts appreciate.
Number 10. 1987 GMC 2500, price $5,500. This pickup is a solid classic truck that's ready to hit the road. It features a brand new 350 fuel-injected crate motor paired with an automatic transmission, offering reliable performance and smooth driving. The exterior and interior are both finished in blue, giving it a classic, cohesive look that stands out. Powered by gasoline, this truck runs and drives well, making it a dependable choice for daily use or weekend cruising. All paperwork is included, and it comes with a clean title in hand. With its strong drivetrain, vintage appeal, and updated power plant, this GMC 2500 is a great opportunity for anyone looking to own a well-kept, road-ready classic.